stirred it. You stirred it.
Yeah, I started with chopsticks.
Red. Okay. Orange.
Yellow,
Green. Blue. Purple.
oh yeah, now it's like purple.
Okay. Okay. Try to get a napkin. I mean, kitchen towel.
And we'll put it in so it's
Yeah. I try to record this, and you can get the kitchen towel. Okay, cool. Little brother. Shh. Cool. Let's see how he does.
We need a little bit more water.
We can try a little bit more, but you see a little bit already the color. Just a little bit for everyone. No, more. Okay, cool. Some more. Yeah. Don't pour the kitchen towel, just pour into the water. Yeah. Don't pour the kitchen towel. Yeah, good. Okay, in the meantime, let's get some ice cube tray, because we need to pour. Once we've done this, we are going to do the next experiment, is to put this colored water into an ice cube tray, and then put into
And we'll make it
into freezer.
And after we've done that, we'll make an ice arch.
A colorful ice arch. Okay. We'll be coming back to take a picture of this. Right now, let's just let it still. Sit still. Okay?